All right, guys, we are with the boys here at Throat Punch Performance. Let's go in and see what these guys are all about here. Man, they've got an awesome shop here. This is their brand new shop on the opposite side of town. They used to be in a little small shop in the south part of Las Cruces. Josh really did a good job here. Awesome shop. If you need stuff installed, anything, tire work, clutch repair, you just want to have them build you a car. They also sell different types of UTVs as well. Come see them. All kinds of accessories, all kinds of maintenance. They do a little of everything. Also, a big shout out to Kawasaki for making this video possible and for sponsoring it. They sent me this amazing light kit, so go over to their website, check out their great stuff. If you're in the Las Cruces area, bring it over to these guys, have them install it for you. They've got a little of everything for all aspects of riding, UTV, ATV, you name it, Kawasaki got it. That's Jackson. He's going to do a quick unboxing here. We're going to open this up and we're going to check the Kawasaki kit. And it actually comes with stuff I didn't think it had.
This is the all-new Kawasaki whip light and rock light package. You've got all the stuff, easy connectors. Comes with everything you need to get them installed and get your machine lighted up and looking good. You've got all your rock lights here, whip lights here, all your controllers, flags. I mean, comes with everything you need.
Okay, YouTube, and here's the final product. It looks really awesome, especially at night. The flags look awesome, and this is actually a great time for 4th of July. The turn signals and the rock lights look awesome. Guys, and you can pick this up using my code RAY15. You get an additional 15% off, and you also get 15% off the entire site. My code is good all the way through September. Really cool. They're nice and flexible. The flags look amazing. I had them installed here with a very professional weld. These disconnect just like an air hose, if you will. They pop out like an air chuck. Then I can unscrew this here if I need to take them off, and they come off in the whole piece. So let me go inside real quick and I'll show you how have it wired. This is the button. This will actually turn them on or off. So if I hold this down, it's going to turn off the lights. And then as you can see, they're off. Coming back in here, if I hold down the button, the lights come back on. And then here is the turn signal kit that I was not aware of. So as you can see, it's flashing there. It flashes on the whip and also on the rock light. And to turn it off, you just hit it again, or if you want to go to the right turn signal, you just hit it again. These are also timed. You could change the timing on them to remain on until you turn it off, or you could change it for how many blinks. Right now I believe it's set for 8 blinks, and then it will turn off after 8 blinks, which is really cool. I did not expect that to come in there. Most road kits or street legal kits are very expensive for these machines. You're looking at sub $200 to get a really cool looking kit, and you get turn signals at the same time, which I think is completely awesome. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the remote control it comes with. Comes with this awesome remote control, and you also can get an app for it as well. And you basically can hit these modes, and you can go to blue as you change it, red, white, and blue. Different modes, different colors you can go to just by hitting the mode, which is really neat. I personally like the red, white, and blue. Country's birthday appropriate colors. I'm back here at Throw Punch Performance here in Las Cruces. If you ever need something done on your ATV, guys, come over here. These guys actually know what the hell they're doing, and they're going to take care of you. I'm here with Jackson. Jackson, I really appreciate you guys doing that for me, man. Really, really awesome. And this kit that Kawasaki sent is actually a little unexpected. It had the not only the LED lights there in the back, the sticks, but it also came with rock lights and a turn signal kit. So I'm just gonna go around and let you see. Gonna get the rock lights under each tire, and it's on all fours. And then if you come back here inside, you'll see you got the turn signals on, and it flashes on the whip and also flashes on the rock light on the bottom. So that is absolutely really cool, guys. Look at that. There's your hazards, I believe. Yep. Hazards right there. And then again, you have the rock lights on the front also. So it works like a turn signal, which I did not expect when they sent me the kit. And there's the rock light there. Really, really cool colors. And I'm gonna put a link to it down in my video at the bottom, and I'm gonna also put a discount code for all you guys. So if you use my discount code, it's gonna be RAY, RAY 15. It's gonna get you an additional 15% off of the already low price. It's super awesome, guys. Pick you guys up a set, especially for the upcoming 4th of July weekend. That code is also gonna get you an additional 15% off of the entire site. I'm just gonna come in here. Really, really cool with the American flags. Appropriate time of year, guys. But they did an awesome job for me here, and they are now installed. Kawasaki, good job. I really like it. I'm gonna enjoy having these on my machine. I'd like to ask all of you to like, subscribe, share the video. Again, pick yourself up one, click that link down below. The channel gets a small percentage of it, but it saves you guys 15%, gets you guys an awesome deal. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.